Welcome, my dear Virgonians. Well, happy Valentine's Day because it's February already. So, even though I am taking this video, it's still in January. But we have a new moon on February 8th, and we have a new intentions. I just want to remind you. So, write those intentions down. That's what you want to have, what your desires are, dream, what you want to achieve. Put them down, read them out loud, and then burn them. Burn them and the ashes spread outside so the universe and angels can start working on them. And on February 22nd, excuse me, and on February 22nd, we have a full moon and unwanted intentions. That's what you don't want to have in life. So clear your path ahead because it's beginning of a new year. So clear your path, negative aspects, situations, put it down, or persons you don't want to have in your life. And then read it out loud, and as last, burn them. Burn them and the ashes spread outside so the universe and angels can start working on it. Your first card, my dear Virgonians. It's a beautiful card for February. 9 of Pentacles. There is financial success and security attained through your own efforts. This is financial independence. Finances should improve sufficiently to allow some comforts in your life. Pleasant and comfortable life. Okay? It brings also new rewards for your efforts. Can also represent inheritance. So, but as I always remind you, this is a general reading, so it may concern you or even someone close to you, because not every Virgonian will go through the same thing. So the second is Six of Wands. This is a victory card, my dear Virgonians. Happiness and celebration. You will see some results of your hard work and efforts. And if you are looking for a job, this card signifies that you will find something better than you expected or even dream of. So beautiful card. Four of Pentacles. This is a card about fear. Don't plant fear in your life. Either if it comes to love, you are holding on far too tight to situation, or lover or someone is attempting to do that to you. This can change, okay? And all I can tell you, this clinging is not healthy. It's not healthy to you or to the other person as well. True love allows for space between the lovers or partners. And you can never control another person, remember that. But if you are single and you think you are ready for a relationship, then you have to realize that you have to step outside your comfort. Your comfort zone to make it happen, okay? True love will not just drop out of the sky, my dear Virgonians. And as last card is Page of Swords. This is someone up to 35 years old. Okay. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Sagittarius, Leo, or Aries. Or someone with those signs on their birth chart as a dominating sign. That represents actually delays, delayed news, or disappointing news. It can also show problem with a child if you have children up to 35. That might be yours or someone close to you as well. So the problem might be with their behavior. Looks like someone is gonna cause you just minor problems and some petty gossip. If it comes to spirituality, however, you have been ignoring your spiritual side. Explore your spiritual belief, okay? Belief system that interests you, even if you don't buy into them. Just expand spiritually. I always remind you all, you have to expand your horizon in order to be fulfilled. So write a gratitude journal. Thank for everything you have. Once or twice a week. It doesn't have to be every day. All right? Thank for everything. And then in this gratitude journal, you may also ask the questions, and you're gonna be given the answer sooner or later. The signs are gonna come to you. So you may also join some yoga classes or exercise or go for a walk, meditate, contemplate, go to the nature. This is very uplifting. So hug even the trees, as I say, because every tree has an energy. And for example, oak trees is strength, so hug them for that they can give you strength. Birch trees takes away from your life or your sorrow, okay? I have a birch tree by my house. It's beautiful. So there's many meanings. Every tree has a different meaning. So try it and you will see. Okay, my dear Virgonians, let's see. No, this is in Polish. So Archangel Michael, the Ring Virtue Spread, and Messages from Angels, also the Ring Virtue Spread. 2 cards for you. 2 angels. We'll see. For Virgonians, please have a for Virgo. I like when they fall down because that means that they want to be heard. Zana. Zana is your angel for February. And Zana is telling you, you are protected from all types of harm. The worst is now behind you. I ask you to relax and feel safe. Beautiful. Zana for you. And Archangel Michael. Archangel Michael for Virgonians. Oh, there we go. Okay. Take your time making this decision. If you have to make any decision, Archangel Michael is telling you, take your time making this decision. All right, that's all, my dear Veganians. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for liking me. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do, and like me at the same time with the thumb up. And if you want a private reading, just go on my website. Below each video is my info, my email and my website. Go on my website and pay always first, so I can put you on my waiting list. I am booked till end of January, and I think I have a beginning of February already. But like I said, when you pay first, I can put you on my waiting list, and then I'm gonna be in touch with you. The session costs $50 and is 20 to 30 minutes long. All right, so that's all, my dear. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing again, and may God bless you and lead the path for you, and always ask the angels for help. Thank you. Bye.